Dongmusa 6th Meghalaya Games hajar arpusan, kabalaya lynti lais pa 1,000 kilometer naduh na Tura, jaka bala pynlong ia 5th Meghalaya Games mynshem snem, mynta sngi kalapoi nongbah Jowai bala pdiang sngewbha iaka daka West Jaiñtia Hills District, bala synran naduh Heimonki Khaii athletic bronze 200 meter haka 5th Meghalaya Games batu Jason Kerchwami Passah Northeast Olympics Games hajar arpuar Gold Medalist jong golf ryngkat ke jingrwai theme song Meghalaya Games haduh bandapoi hayung wali ke dor barsnong lum keruang ke jaka pynlong ya ke jingelang lengkot pdiang burom bat bu ru ya kani ke Dongmusa haka jingelang pdiang burom nodon lang UMLA kathan ubade ru chairman muda uba walat miki shila u president MSOA ba John F Kharshieng ke vice president MSOA ke bade ru ke chairperson jaka reception committee ke state level bat kabade ru ke secretary jang ke sarkar jela ke kong mat siudor war nongbri u general secretary MSOA uba F Parian uba H nong lum keruang uba L lalu ki pat bat nong song snong bat kiwe.
Thank each and everyone who is present here, and especially, and I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate Jason Passah, who is the first gold medal winner from the, please I request you to stand. From the West Jaiñtia Hills District, we'd like to congratulate him and especially his support mother, Tura Passah. We'd like to thank her also for her continuous support. Really, I'm pleased. And we have high hope and expectation from the other athlete as well, that as a host district will be able to perform much more. But today, really, I feel so honored and privileged to receive this torch here today. And this torch is a mark that today the 6th Meghalaya Game, which is held here in Jowai, is officially started. And this torch is a symbol of unity, as it has come all the way from Tura, covering Garo Hills, Khasi Hills and Jaiñtia Hills. I think this is a symbol of cooperation, of peace and friendship of the citizen of the whole state. So with this, I urge at the same time, kuala perpat, kamtam yang nom chom chnong, yong kasor Jowai go maya dina. Kenmo bini gigir mandi ujok, lada I kam gitre chnong miami, u yang mentalang, u yalai ciki value, you even say, never bon bahagi participant di dawat nakaleng yung ka state yung I kamtam dipili perlaku negaro, bon kodang pandang first time uwan ni, upay ikamun gerukong ini gerukong sa, kamun ketika akor, ketika burung, ketika disiplin, yung group na. Tengah yung tiyo yung mani kita kuman welcoming, mani kita kuwa pdiang burung yang kini wawan ceni bat kam tam le yarak ye ki he ko ni mo ibenta bat kam cho le e mynshem ye ki ha ki jingi benta yo ki ko phe ko phe te ni kintin sachise na pempau e ka snyao ya kesorkan Meghalaya ya kejingan jong kontrak sama kau chief minister jong I ke sports department ko dia kre pentia pencong berkat ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association kiwa laktu na chipnai arnai kiwa cheni bai kiwa ya kre berkat bate kule kepang ale rumah program Passah rumah district sport officer kami ada oleh kre cutong ne bentau teman ya kami Meghalaya Games cocok neba du snem asnem mana dem kami Meghalaya Games daw boys at the national games tegani kok lam kecibenta kre yoki but yung tiyo jan next game pada kecil ha yoki ke Meghalaya Games boy daw yo la cucu pdiang sa national games few events hak ni ka Shillong Jaiñtia Hills jadi gini kitin kumulai shibun but kumulai le yani athletes di luar ya ketika touch yung tiyo kamu cek kamu community yung pungkop yang kau mynshem yung I yung dalam rah yung kecil to etni kecil teli kecil maya hamtam hapok ke Shillong Jaiñtia yang I maybe yung kita players etni yung rah yang menang berulang yung ke district yung ke state yung ke ri yung ke jatuh yang I dengan ini kita yung ke jatuh kumulai